In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 work from home jobs that don't require a resume or interview. Guys, are you on the hunt for remote job opportunities that don't involve the stress of creating traditional resume or enduring nerve-wracking interviews? Well, guess what? You have landed in the right place because I have got your back. In today's video, I will be unveiling 6 fantastic work from home jobs that bring you flexibility and income, all without the headache of resumes and interviews. So whether you're a super parent juggling a home life, a dedicated student, or just someone itching for a fresh start, guess what? These remote jobs that I'm going to be sharing with you guys right now might be your golden ticket to a brand new career. So don't wait, don't even wait any longer. Let's dive right into these amazing opportunities that will take you from where you are to where you want to be. So let's go. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So if you don't have a lot of work experience but you're looking for a remote job role, I have good news for you. Yes, so you can actually get a remote job with 0 work experience as long as you're applying for the right job. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 of the best work from home jobs that require no experience whatsoever. Yes, so guys, come with me. Let's go. If you're new to my channel, please, I want to know you, I want to meet you. Introduce yourselves in the comments. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. Yes, God bless you. And if you've seen this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. So yes, enough about me. I want to know about you guys. Make sure that you leave your trademark in the comments. Introduce yourselves. I want to know your name and let me know where you're watching from and what you do for a living. So guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So let's dive right in. 5 work from home jobs with no experience. Number 1 is data entry clerk. Yes, so do you know you can earn up to $42,000 without experience? Yes, you can earn $42,000 annually without any experience. So guys, just in case you're wondering, a data entry clerk is in charge of taking data from one source and imputing it into another. For example, a common task for a data entry clerk can be to take data from a physical document and input it into an Excel spreadsheet. Super easy. So data entry roles have very low barrier to entry, and the only skill requirements for this job, for this job is typing skills. Yes, you also need to be able to pay attention to details, and you need only a high school diploma and the ability to read and write English. So because of this, data entry clerk job is a great way to start your work from home job with no experience. This role also usually comes with a flexible work schedule. So as long as you're able to meet your KPIs, that's your key performance indicators, and get the work done, you're actually allowed to set your own work schedule. Yes, so what can be better than that? Now the next job I'm going to be introducing you guys is you can actually work as an English teacher and earn up to $67,000 US. So if you are a native English speaker or you have the opportunity to teach English to students worldwide. Yes, so remotely. So English speaking teachers are in high demand in almost all parts of the world, from Europe to China. So as long as you've got a good grasp of the English language and you are skilled in teaching or tutoring, this is a great opportunity for you. This is a great opportunity for you to work online with no experience. That being said, most companies are hiring English teachers require some sort of teaching certification, like TEFL or TESOL certification. So I recommend that you look into that, as well. I mean, it can also increase your earning capacity. Yes, so don't sleep on it. Oh, so another job I'm going to be introducing you guys to is a tutor. Yes, you can become a tutor with an average salary of $84,000 US in a year. Guess what? Tutoring is another great way to work remotely with no experience. Most tutoring jobs actually require little to no work experience. As long as you have a BA and MA in the subjects that you like to tutoring, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and apply. Start applying for these amazing opportunities. Another job opportunity I want to introduce you guys to is customer support representative. You can become a customer support staff without experience. Yes, you get on the training job. You get your training on the job. Yes. The only thing you have to contend with is you need to be able to handle strict work schedules. For example, if a company's client is based in the United States, you will have to work US hours even if you're working in a different country. Yes, even if you're working in a different country, you have to switch to the United States time zone or the state's time zone that you'll be working for in USA. That's just an example. So the next job I'm going to be introducing you guys to is community manager. Hey guys, guess what? You can earn up to $79,000 as a community manager. Who are community managers? Guys, community managers are responsible for managing online communities like Facebook groups, I'm telling you, Discord channels, and so on. They're actually in charge of responding to questions, moderating discussions, and making sure that the community members don't break any of the rules. To become a community manager, you need to be a relatively tech-savvy person, and of course, have some understanding on how online communities work. And you also need to learn how the employer's products or service works. But that's something that you pick up on the job. Like I said, some of these jobs are willing to train you while they employ you and pay you on the side, which is a win-win situation. You get a job with no experience, you get a job without adequate knowledge of how it works, but of course you learn on the job and you also earn on the job. Guys, what can be better than that? You know Mariah has always got you covered. You know, on this channel, it is all about everything, all things how to make money. It's a money making channel. I'm your business mogul. You know, on this channel, we share information that help you become a better version of yourself. And like I always say, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. And the moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So guys, value I hope this video has been of value to you. I hope this video has been a blessing to you. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities. And guess what? In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys amazing ways to make money that no one is willing to share. Ways you'll be surprised at how much money that you can make from the comfort of your home. Make sure that you stay connected to this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Oh, by the way, introduce yourselves in the comments in case you have not introduced yourselves yet. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you for real. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? Yes, so your girl Mariah, I really want to know you guys. Of course, I'm building a community here. I'm building a community. I'm not one of those channels that just want to amass subscribers without having a relationship with their audience. So I really want to know you guys. So go ahead and introduce yourselves in the comments. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities, and make it a date to see me here on this channel by turning on your notification bells. Turn on your notification bells so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. Yes, sir. You know, I've always got you covered. Now, if you have a question if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all those researches for you guys. You know I'm working for you guys day and night. And of course, note that there are no stupid questions. Ask away. Ask me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to you guys. And of course, I will see you in my next video. And if anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Yes, sir. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves. I love you all. Bye for now.